I want to start off by saying this out the get-go that I'm making this video for myself. So if you don't understand anything that I'm talking about in this video, I'm not going to explain the simple things. If you don't understand, learn some more, then come back and then maybe you will understand. Um, I trade the weekly candle. On GU, this is what was happening. All right, it's as simple as this. All these goofballs on Twitter and YouTube who don't know how to trade. It's honestly a joke seeing the state of traders nowadays, and I'm not even like trying to inflate my own ego or anything or talk down upon others, but it's sad. It's sad to see how people are trading when when the information is out there to be able to take advantage of the markets like this. We have the range, we have a turtle soup. What is targeting next is the low of this candle, right? You can see this is a clear setup taking place. What's our key level? This rejection block right here. All right, we drop down into the daily time frame. Let me actually mark out each week. Go down to the daily. We can see the first, this was a holiday New Year's week. So this one was almost like 1 week's range. It was 2 weeks, but it's 1 week range. You have the key level right there, and then you have the week two manipulation, candle two manipulation. We have a Monday range. We have a Tuesday turtle soup into the key level. Let's move down into the 4 hour. Monday range, Tuesday turtle soup, butterfly model right there, entry on the 4 hour, 1 a.m. candle. And we end up candle two's week down here at this low. What are we targeting? We're targeting this low right here. You can see we left this open. We've got the weekly open right here. Let's mark out each day of the week because this is where I took my trade. All right, and we see it's another Monday range, Tuesday turtle soup. And Wednesday was where I took my trade. All right, so we see Monday is the candle one accumulation. You see Tuesday, it was, I believe it was CPI. I can check, but it's really not that important. News is irrelevant. The charts are what move the markets. It's not news. Let's mark the 4 hour candles for the day that I took the trade. Right. After the high gets taken out Tuesday, it's in line with what's been happening all week. Week range, candle two, week two, turtle soup, key level, breaks back down into the range, leaves relatively equal lows. The next week, candle three distribution. We have a Monday range, Tuesday turtle soup at the 5 a.m. candle. It was a news candle wick. I didn't trade any of this. I didn't trade any of this candle. But what did I trade? I traded this. When a setup appears as perfect as this, you execute it with no hesitation. And that's just the name of the game. You have a 1 a.m. range, 5 a.m. inside candle. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame and let's look at what this looks like on the lower time frames. Let's go back to the 1 hour. What do we have here? This was the manipulation candle on Tuesday. The turtle soup candle that caused the dump. That's the order block. This whole candle is an order block, right? You could just use this as your key level when looking at the 4 hour because there's that. Put your stop loss up here. What I did was I narrowed it down. I went to the 15-minute. And inside that 1 hour order block, what did we have? An untapped 15-minute fair value gap. Now, before this happened, what do we want to see? I'm not even going to do that because I already know. But 9 a.m. right here opens up and immediately, and I mean immediately, trades up. Opens, goes higher, goes higher. This is a full range. What do we have right here? We have midnight. 12 a.m. 9 a.m. opens, goes straight up into the key level. I sell immediately. Boom, right as it hits into here, into this order block. Where did I put my stop loss? I put it above Monday's high. Monday's high. Put it up there. With as big of a wick as this, it's a safe stop loss for how far that is. Stop loss is there. Entered immediately as we entered into this key level. What happened? Price dumped, right? That was my entry. Stop loss is originally up here. As soon as we break below this low right here, stop loss, I mean, this trade was basically confirmed right here. If you even look at Euro USD, there was an SMT that formed right there. It's even higher confluence. Move your stop loss down to here, right? There's no reason your stop loss needs to be staying over there after this. I mean, it was perfect manipulation. And what are we targeting? Simple, simple. We're targeting the low of this week. High, low. Turtle soup, target the low. It's that simple. Boom. We target this low right here. For a beautiful 1 to 40 risk reward. I mean, you can't get any better than that. It's picture perfect fucking trade. And if you don't understand the trade, rewatch this a million times because it is that simple. If you don't see everything that I just described on a trade setup, do not take the trade. You're forcing it. It should be as simple as that. And when it happens, you should attack it with zero hesitation. All you need is a range. All you need is open, high, low, and close. All you need to know, that's it. Ranges and open, high, low, close. And most importantly, time. That's it. Range, open, high, low, close, and time. That's all you need.